Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know about a very important concept that we use during programming in Python, and which doesn't agree with the presentation notation of mathematics. This is very important during programming. You see here, I have opened idle and have opened a text file in which I am writing the program. Now you see here I have assigned a numerical value to y, which is 8, and then I construct a relation, a statement in the form y equals y plus 1. In mathematics, you may have seen that such equations has no solution. However, in programming, this is very normal and we use this very frequently. So it is against the presentation of mathematics. What does this statement mean? This statement means Python would take the previous value of y and would add 1 to that previous value and will store the net result back into y. So for example, if I save this program by pressing Ctrl S and then write print y, and now I save this program and I want to run this uh, and see what happens. You see, value y equal 9 has shown over here. It is not 8. That is, Python has used the first value of y and has put that value at this position, and then to that previous value Python has added this one, and the result is stored again in y. So that's why Python print y equals 9 here in the idle. That means Python has updated its memory and have added the final value to y. Now, let me define another variable x equals 2, and then I define x equals 2 plus y, and then I print the value of x. And if I run this, if I save this program and then run here module, you see we get again two values. One is 9 and the other is 11. What has happened? The one value is in the print command at this position, which is the value of y, and we know that value is 9. And then Python has added the value of y added with x, and obviously 9 plus 2 is 11, and the value of x has again updated from previous value 2 to new value 11. Now I do one thing more which is very important. Write y equals x plus 1, and then again define x equals 3. Now there is a conflict between the values of x. At this position we learned that x is 11, so here we have 11. And now at this position I'm redefining x, which is equal to 3. So what value of x would Python add to y at this position? So I print y and again save this and run it. Now you see Python didn't use this value of x, because if I had used this value of x, then x plus 1 would give me 4. But what we see, it has given 11. So once the value is assigned to another variable from a predefined variable, and if you again assign another value to the predefined variable, Python doesn't take the new value, rather it takes the previous value. And this is very important in programming with Python, so you must know about this thing. And thanks for watching.